break news. What's your next goal? Next goal, Gary?
My next goal is to keep going on to the next step, and I want to go all the way up to a BS RN.
Wow, good for you. Maria, what's your next goal? What's going on after here?
I don't know. I believe I'm going to care of my baby first.
Take care of your baby first?
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Yeah.
Veronica, what's next from here? Medical coding? Medical coding. Woohoo! What's next?
Medical assistant.
Medical assistant. Good for you. Congratulations. What's next, Vanessa?
Medical assistant.
Medical assistant? Oh, you look so pretty. Anna, what's next?
Medical assistant.
Oh my God, 3 medical assistants? Wow. Ashwa, what's next from here?
Maybe I want to be RN.
What's that?
RN.
Woo, look at you. And Patience over there with the pictures. Oh my. It's coming up to an end, people. Graduation is coming up. Ooh, look at all these graduates. This is behind the scenes, people. NWTC. All behind the scenes.
We are going to have general
All behind the
studies,
scenes.
lab science,
Oh my
career
goodness.
pathways, healthcare, customer service.
So you have a
lead
lot of
on the
stuff.
right side.
A lot of stuff going
I
on here.
have colleagues here going to
Behind
make
the
sure
scenes.
the lines do not get mixed up as
Oh
we
my
make our way
goodness.
down the hallway.
That is so
I just want to
amazing.
make sure I have my folks from College of Business. And who is
Awesome.
leading the line over here for general studies? Probably you guys. That is awesome.
So Co's gonna come.
Sweet.